meteorologist Caroline Carruthers with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Well, good afternoon to you. We'll start you out with the big picture of things here because it's kind of a gloomy morning. We had lots of rain yesterday, and that is all thanks to this front that is trekking through our area. It approached yesterday, which is why we had all that rain today. It is slowly but surely moving through our area here. So it's orange color. This is a water vapor map. I don't show it that often, but you can clearly see the orange color is the drier air that is moving in behind the front. Out ahead of that, we still have a little bit of moisture in our northwest Florida counties. That's why we're keeping that rain chance around mainly south and east of I-65 throughout the day today, just because that front hasn't moved through that area yet, so that drier air hasn't filtered in to northwest Florida yet. And that is why we are seeing some of that rain right now moving into Pensacola Bay, over towards Santa Rosa County as well, Shalimar, Niceville, Fort Walton Beach, but north and west of I-65 dry as a bone because the front has already moved through. That drier air is filtering in that area. Overall today, only about a 30% chance you need that Green and Phillips umbrella, very slim. And if you're west of Mobile Bay, likely not going to see anything, but if you're east of Mobile Bay, you do have that chance of some scattered showers this afternoon. So as we move into the afternoon hours, we'll continue to see showers and thunderstorms pop up mainly along that front and ahead of it. And then as we move into the evening hours, we're going to continue to see just hit or miss showers and thunderstorms here. I'm pretty optimistic for high school football tonight, but maybe just have your umbrella handy just in case if you're in Baldwin County or any of our northwest Florida counties, just in case. The trend will be clearing, but you can clearly see that front continuing to make its way through slowly but surely. It'll finally exit later on tonight, and then we have a gorgeous weekend ahead for us. As far as temperatures go today, not bad because it's been cloudy and also that front pass, so temperatures will likely be in the mid 80s, which is very seasonable for this time of year. And then as we work our way into the evening overnight hours, 70s. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, 60s. It'll be very refreshing for your Saturday morning. In the tropics, very busy, but good news, none of it's going to affect you. So we have post-tropical system Gabrielle. It's heading towards Spain and Portugal in Europe, so this is not a threat to the United States. We have Hurricane Humberto, developed into a hurricane this morning, Category 1. And we also have another disturbance near Hispaniola that we are tracking here, will likely become Imelda in the next day or so. But I want you to notice how close these two are together. When tropical systems get that close, they do some weird things and make it hard to forecast. But let's start with Humberto here. Max winds at 90 miles per hour now. It's moving to the northwest around 5 miles per hour. It's going to ramp up quickly, so it is expected to become a major hurricane very quickly, likely tomorrow sometime, make it run into Category 4 as well. It is going to curve towards Bermuda, likely staying off of the east coast of the United States. What the east coast is going to have to keep an eye on is this system here. It is currently near Hispaniola. It will likely become Imelda in the next day or so, has a high chance of that happening. Now, most of the forecast models do take this into the Carolinas, whatever it becomes, but we do have to watch and see how it interacts with Humberto, because like I said, hard to forecast when tropical systems are so close together. They just interact with each other in very weird ways. But no threats to our stretch of the Gulf Coast, which is good news. Over the next 7 days here, after this front finally moves out and takes the rain with it, sunshine returns for the weekend. We'll see seasonable. Stick with us.
Hi, I'm May.